1. What is the minimum age requirement to become a notary in Mississippi? A. 18 years old. B. 21 years old. C. 25 years old. D. 30 years old. 2. How long is a Mississippi Notary Commission valid? A. 2 years. B. 4 years. C. 6 years. D. Lifetime. 3. Which of the following is not a duty of a Mississippi notary? A. Administering oaths and affirmations. B. Certifying copies of documents. C. Drafting legal contracts. D. Taking acknowledgments. 4. Before notarizing a document, a Mississippi notary must verify the signers. A. Age only. B. Identity. C. Income level. D. Residency status. 5. What type of identification is generally acceptable for proving a signer's identity? A. Expired driver's license. B. Passport or government-issued photo ID. C. Library card. D. Social media profile. 6. Can a Mississippi notary notarize a document if the signer is not physically present? A. Yes, always. B. No, the signer must be physically present. C. Yes, if the signer sends a fax. D. Yes, with a phone call. 7. Which act is prohibited for Mississippi notaries? A. Charging a fee for services. B. Notarizing without the signer's presence. C. Refusing to notarize a document. D. Maintaining a journal. 8. What is the maximum fee a Mississippi notary may charge for administering an oath? A. $1. B. $5. C. $10. D. $20. 9. When a notary witnesses a signature, what must the notary do? A. Confirm the signer understands the document. B. Sign and affix the notary seal. C. Keep a copy of the document. D. Call a witness. 10. What must a Mississippi notary do if they refuse to notarize a document? A. Notify the authorities. B. Provide a written statement of refusal. C. Keep a record in the notary journal. D. Ignore the request. 11. What is the purpose of a notary journal? A. To record the names and details of notarized acts. B. To store official seals. C. To keep signed documents. D. To write personal notes. 12. How long must a Mississippi notary keep their journal after their commission expires? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 5 years. D. 10 years. 13. What does a notary seal typically include? A. The notary's name and commission number. B. The document title. C. The signer's social security number. D. The date of notarization only. 14. What should a notary do if asked to notarize a document in a foreign language? A. Refuse notarization unless fluent in that language. B. Proceed without concern. C. Use a translator without verification. D. Notarize only the signature, not the document content. 15. Can a Mississippi notary perform a marriage ceremony? A. Yes, if authorized by the state. B. No, notaries cannot perform marriages in Mississippi. C. Yes, for close family only. D. Yes, with permission from the governor. 16. What happens if a Mississippi notary notarizes a document without the signer's presence? A. The notarization is valid. B. The notary may face penalties including fines or revocation. C. The signer is responsible. D. Nothing happens. 17. Which of the following documents typically requires notarization? A. A grocery list. B. A will or trust document. C. A casual letter. D. An email. 18. How soon after receiving their commission must a Mississippi notary take the official oath? A. Within 10 days. B. Within 30 days. C. Before performing any notarial acts. D. No oath required. 19. Who appoints Mississippi notaries? A. The governor. B. The Secretary of State. C. The county clerk. D. The State Supreme Court. 20. Which of the following is not allowed in the Mississippi Notary Journal? A. Recording the date and type of notarial act. B. The signer's name and address. C. Personal opinions about the signer. D. Method of identification used. 21. How should a Mississippi notary handle a situation where the signer is unable to sign the document? A. Notarize the document anyway. B. Use a mark or thumbprint with a witness present. C. Refuse to notarize the document. D. Have someone else sign for the signer. 22. Can a Mississippi notary notarize a document for a family member? A. Yes, with no restrictions. B. No, it is prohibited. C. Only if they are impartial and the signer is present. D. Only with court approval. 23. What is the fee for applying to become a Mississippi notary? A. $10. B. $25. C. $50. D. $100. 24. What should a Mississippi notary do if their commission expires but they still have not finished all notarizations? A. Complete the remaining notarizations. B. Stop notarizing until reappointed. C. Delegate notarizations to another notary. D. Notarize only emergencies. 25. What is the proper procedure if a notary's seal is lost or stolen? A. Report the loss immediately to the Secretary of State. B. Continue using the seal. C. Notify the local police only. D. Create a new seal without reporting. Mississippi Notary Exam. The Mississippi Notary Exam is a required assessment for individuals seeking to become commissioned notaries public in the state of Mississippi. Administered by the Mississippi Secretary of State, the exam evaluates a candidate's knowledge of notarial laws, duties, and responsibilities as outlined in the Mississippi Code. Topics covered include proper identification procedures, types of notarial acts, record-keeping requirements, and prohibited practices. The exam ensures that applicants understand how to perform notarizations accurately and ethically. In addition to passing the exam, candidates must meet eligibility requirements such as being at least 18 years old, a Mississippi resident or employed in the state, and free of felony convictions. Successful completion of the exam is part of the overall application process to receive a notary commission in Mississippi. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of MS Bar Notary Exam. 1. Legal authorization to perform notarial acts. Passing the exam allows individuals to officially notarize documents such as affidavits, deeds, and powers of attorney, giving them the legal authority to serve the public and ensure authenticity. 2. Career advancement. Being a commissioned notary can enhance job prospects in fields like law, finance, and real estate by adding a professional credential that boosts trust and credibility. 3. Increased earning potential. Certified notaries in Mississippi can charge fees for their services, creating additional income opportunities either as a side business or part of their primary role. 4. Community trust and public service. Notaries serve as impartial witnesses in legal processes, reinforcing integrity and trust within their communities while helping prevent fraud. 5. Business versatility. Businesses benefit from having in-house notaries, reducing delays and expenses related to document verification and enhancing workflow efficiency.